To make the star ornament, you'll need the pattern, fabric, a marking pen, scissors, and batting or stuffing. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is grab a ruler and measure the little square and make sure that your star printed at the right size. Okay, so go ahead and cut out your star. Then grab your fabric and fold it in half so you'll be cutting 2 stars at once. Go ahead and trace the star onto the fabric. Then grab the scissors and cut out the stars. If you want to add a hanger to your star ornament, go ahead and cut a small piece of twine and line it in between the 2 stars as shown and pin it in place. The next step is to take your star to the sewing machine and sew all the way around the edge of the star with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a 2-inch opening to flip the star right side out. To get the sharpest points when you turn your star, you'll want to trim off some of the excess fabric and cut a notch into the inside corners of the star. Turn your star right side out using a turning tool at the star's tips to get a sharp point. Next, fold the inner seams of the star in towards the center and press with an iron. Next, add your stuffing to the star, getting it as full as you want your star to be. To close the bottom of the star, you'll do a hand-sewn invisible stitch. Now, if you're someone like me that hates to hand stitch, hot glue works too. Keep stitching till your star is closed, and that's it. Trim the threads and you're done.